Hello, so today I'm going to walk you through how to use. So the things we're going to cover is adding a new slide, duplicating slides, changing slide layout, reorder slides, delete slides, insert a picture, insert smart art graphic, take and insert a screenshot, take and insert a screen recording, export presentation as a video, and a bonus track. What will be the bonus track? Stay tuned. If you want to learn how to record a presentation with your video in it, then you need to stay tuned till you get to the bonus track because I have a lot of interesting packages for you there. Okay, now we are going to talk about how. Okay, so to create a PowerPoint, what you have to do is open the PowerPoint application, then go to New. When you click on New, you can either select one of these templates of this design or create with blank presentation, or you can search online using the search icon to search for a template which you can edit and create a PowerPoint. Now I'm going to show you how to create the PowerPoint from start. I will be using the blank presentation. Okay, so this is what the blank presentation looks like. Now this it only has one slide and you can go ahead and click here to add a title. Let's say the title is creating a PowerPoint. Okay, you can add, let's say, beginner's guide. That is subtitle, beginner's guide. Okay, now to insert another slide, you go to new slide, click on new slide, select whichever feature you want. Do you want title slide, which is the one we already created, or title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank page, content with caption, picture with caption? I think we should go with title and content to add our table of content. Okay, so let's say this is outline. Let me call it outline. What we'll be doing today. Okay, adding slides, adding new slides. We'll also look at how to duplicate slides. We'll also look at how to um, change the layout, change slide layout. And what else can we do with slides? Reorder slides. Okay, so that's our what we'll be looking at. You can add anything, and here too, instead of having bullets, we can always choose options. There are a lot of options to choose from, just like we use in um, Word documents. Okay, you can choose any of these depending on whatever you want. Or, but I'd rather go with numbers. So the first thing we'll do is adding new slide, duplicating slides, changing slide layout, reordering slide. Now let's go ahead and add another new slide. So first thing to do is what? Go to new slide and add content. Okay. Okay, now we are going to be looking at how to duplicate. Um, okay, so let's say we want to duplicate this slide. This is add a slide title. Your slide title goes there when we finish talking about the content. And the first thing we have is adding adding a slide, as our item 1. Now we want to duplicate this and use it to create an item 2, right? What do? Come over to the left angle where the cursor is, add a new slide, then right click on it and you will see all the features you can do with that slide. You can either cut the slide, copy the slide, new slide, duplicate slide, delete the slide, add a section, change the layout, reset the slide, format the background. But those are not what we want to do now. You can always experiment on your own. So we want to duplicate this slide. Now we've duplicated it. When we duplicate, the new slide will be added underneath whatever we created. So this is a formal slide and this one is the copy of that slide. And our item 2 was, we'll change it, we'll rename it. Let's say this is item 2, duplicating a slide. So duplicating helps you, especially when you want to use a particular pattern on a slide. You can always recreate. We'll move over to the next, change slide layout. We are going to learn how to change a slide. So here I have a slide which it's the pattern, it's two content, a slide with two content. How do we change this slide? Okay, so over here where we have the slide, right click and you will see the layout options. Okay, this is what we currently have, is a comparison slide and we want to change it to two content. We don't want to compare again. We'll click on two content. You see it has changed. Or let's say we want to make it a title slide. Okay, we'll click the title. Or let's say we want to change it and make it make the layout section header. Okay, this is a section header. And this we can also do up here under home. Next one, reorder slide. How do you reorder a slide? Okay, you go down. If you look down where the cursor is moving beside notes, comments, you will see that this is the normal view which I'm using. Now you can click the next icon, slide sorter, the slide sorter, and here we can use the slide sorter to reorder our slides. Okay, let me say I want to have this title headers before each content. How do we reorder? You click, then you drag and move. Okay, let's try that again. Click on the one you want to reorder, you drag and move it. Okay, that's one format. Another format is to do that right here on this panel. Okay, so let's say we click on this one, slide 11, and we move it up to wherever we want to fix it. Okay, so let's drop it here. So these are how to reorder. Now let's look at how to delete slide. All right, to delete a slide, maybe we've created a slide and we don't need it anymore. We can come to this tab, right click, delete slide. As simple as that. And you can still undo your changes, Ctrl Z, or redo it, delete it again. Now let's look at how to insert a picture. Okay, before we look at it, how can we create this picture? This content, I got it from a template in Microsoft, in PowerPoint. So you can add your title here, the caption here, and then you use this layer to change it. Now there are a lot of things one can insert in PowerPoint. Let's look at this template. This is click to add your title, edit it, add your title, click to add text. You can either click here and start adding your text, or you come over here. This one is insert a table, insert picture, insert online picture. This one is insert picture from your device, or you can insert picture from online, or you can insert a video from online. You can also as well insert a video from your device. You can insert a chart. You can insert a smart art graphic. Okay, but our focus now is to insert a picture. So to achieve this, is either you click here to start a picture. You choose, do I have pictures here? No item. I'm not sure I have a picture in this. No item. So, but this is how to insert pictures. Okay, you choose the file you want to insert and you go ahead and insert it. Fortunately, I don't have one here to show us. Another method is to head up here beside file home. You see the insert icon. Then you click on pictures to insert the picture of your choice. Okay, that is it. Okay, now we are going to insert a video. So click on the insert, which is beside your file, the home, then you have insert. So towards the end, you see this video for you to insert video. Sorry. Okay. Aside video, you can also insert audio from your computer. So let's go ahead and insert a video. So, but before we insert the video, let's create a new layout for it. Okay, then go to insert, click on video, video from my PC, or you can select a video from your um, from online. So click here, insert. And with every addition you make, whether video or pictures, you can always look over at the format to format whatever you have there. Okay, so this is the video.